Hi, my name is Boris Palekov, and we're here at AREC and Adena booth on the ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. What I would like to show you today is another one of our newest products, which is DS-X01. This is a decoder station. What it does is it allows you to select from 99 sources, which can be IP sources, on your screen and just see them locally. So this is very easy. You can control this either with the buttons. So for example, I would press on the buttons to switch through the available sources for me, and you can see the change on the screen. Or I can use the interface, which is connected from the display, basically. If you have a touch screen, all you need to do is just press on the button and select the source that is interesting to you. So if you would like to know more about this product or other of our products, please visit our booth, H13F140, or go to our website, www.a-dena.com. Thank you very much.